KITV4 weather.
Ah, majestic Mauna Kea. How beautiful you are. Check out that view. The summit and slopes covered in snow, and there's a lot more to come for both Mauna Kea and Mauna Loa. A blizzard warning is in effect with an additional half a foot of snow possible, with very strong winds up to 80 miles an hour. This is as another disturbance digs down. Great view. Aloha Hawaii. Welcome to the KITV4 Weather Center. We're expecting another trough or disturbance to bite down over the east half of the state. That's kicking up chances for showers over the island of Hawaii as well as Maui starting tonight, carrying us into Thursday. Let's break out the timing because Oahu is actually looking at some increasing showers as well. There you go, early in the morning into your morning rush hour. Look at that heavy rainfall activity from Hilo up into the Mauka areas, that light blue coloring you see there, rolling into about 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, spreading up to the rest of Maui County. That's going to keep things very slick throughout the day tomorrow. By afternoon, you know, about the time you drive home from work, East Oahu as well as the windward side, looking at increasing showers as well. And then it continues to flare up over the Big Island, Hilo, Hamakua coastline, especially down into the Kona side. So we're talking about this wet scenario at least through Thursday. So keep that umbrella nearby. Switching gears here, let's hit the beach and see what's happening out in the water. The current swell continuing to drop, but winds, you know, not so favorable. 3 to 6 by tomorrow, but our weather team watching another moderate north-northwesterly. This one looks like it could bring in some advisory level swells to the country. 20 footers possible by about Friday afternoon, so we'll keep you posted. But it's going to be another cool start to the morning tomorrow. Temperatures down to the upper 50s to low 60s. A lot of sunshine for much of the state, but again, East Maui as well as the island of Hawaii looking at a very soggy forecast tomorrow, continuing into Thursday. Yanji, you're going to like this because warmer weather eventually Thursday into Friday. You like that?
I'm loving that.